Dessert is the meal that you usually look forward to because it's sweet, it's well presented and very delicious. So today I'll be showing you the simplest and the easiest parfait recipe, which is going to turn out amazing once you try out the recipe. It's loaded with lots of fruits, different textures, and every mouthful is going to be so yum. When it comes to serving up your parfait, you'll need some glasses to do so. So I have an ice cream glass over here, a tall glass, and a short glass, which all are perfect for this parfait, but I'm going to be using my ice cream glass. And I have a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. I have some strawberry yogurt over here, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can also use vanilla, chocolate, mango, coconut, or your preferred yogurt. I have some Weetabix over here, some peanut butter cookies that I made earlier on, and I'm going to be adding into this recipe. And if you want to learn how to make these delicious cookies, you can check up here or in the description box, and they're going to turn out amazing. The peanut butter flavor is going to be perfect. I have some Pawpaw over here, which I had in my fridge, some bananas and raisins, which also are going to add in some texture to our parfait. In my glass, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my strawberry yogurt, crush in some Weetabix, my peanut butter cookies, add in some Pawpaw, add in some more yogurt, and then I'm going to top up with some banana and raisins. Top up with some Pawpaw, and then I'm going to place aside, and you can see the parfait is looking very well assembled. Pick my tall glass, and then I'm going to repeat by adding in some yogurt. I'm showing you different ways that you can present your parfaits. So I'm going to add in some yogurt, switch a little bit by adding in my peanut butter cookies. The peanut butter cookies are chewy, so they're very soft. Add in some Pawpaw, my Weetabix. If you have granola in your house, you can add in some granola as well. The recipe is very versatile. Then I'm going to add in some more yogurt, bananas, which I've sliced. Pick my dessert spoon and arrange my bananas so that they look very perfect. Back to my Pawpaws, some raisins, more yogurt, and then I'm going to finalize by adding in some more toppings, that is cookies, a little bit of Weetabix, Pawpaw, and bananas. Raisins to give a final touch, and there you go, guys. I'm going to place everything aside, clean up my working surface a little bit because it's a little bit messy, and there you go, guys. 2 perfectly assembled yogurt banana Pawpaw parfait, and they look so delicious. Once you try out this recipe, it's going to turn out sweet because we have some bananas, raisins, some cookies, and also the yogurt is a little bit sweet. So the parfait is perfect to serve as a dessert. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy, quick, and simple parfait recipe.